Hey, my name is Donny Bonds, and I'm the owner of Pro Team Electric, and we are primarily located in Silicon Valley, San Jose. We're electrical contractors. We do a lot of residential, commercial work. We specialize in EV chargers, remodels, a lot of ADUs, so new constructions. We also come in and help out if you just purchase your home and you want to add lighting, or you want to add new switching or something smart in your home, or cameras. We also help out with a lot of that. For commercial work, we specialize and do a lot of work where we'll upgrade the lighting from maybe something into more LED, something more energy efficient. We also do a lot of service calls for commercial sites. If something's not working, we'll come in and help out and service your company and get your business back up and running. We also do solar and batteries is also another big thing that we're doing right now, and helping to improve the home and the quality and living conditions of the home. So back in 2004, I started working as an electrician. I worked for a couple different companies around San Jose, around the Silicon Valley, doing electrical, and then started doing some solar, also doing commercial. So about 10 years ago, I took a leap of faith and started my own company, Pro Team Electric, and started off just myself doing a lot of work. The workload was getting a little bit too heavy for myself to be able to keep growing, so I got another guy working with me, slowly getting to the point where now we're at seven installers, doing about 15 jobs, 15 small to large projects a week, and looking to continue growing. So we actually started this project that we're standing at right now about 2.5 months ago with a new contractor. They couldn't find another electrician to start the project within the time frame, and they needed to get it done in 2 weeks. So we stepped in and hustled and got it done within that time frame, and now we actually got more projects from the same contractor because we were able to step up to the challenge and get the work done within that time frame. So when you're in need of an electrician, of a contractor, you want to call the pros. We are the Pro Team Electric. We can service your home, your company, your business. I have kids and family that are in this area in Silicon Valley raising, so we'll treat you just like family, like I would treat my own family to get the job done. So you want to call a pro, you call Pro Team Electric.